So hi folks, we're gonna do a delicious bar cart for the summer margaritas. We're gonna show you how to set up a beautiful bar cart and how to make an extra special margarita right here on my take on home and garden. So the first thing you need is a bar cart. We're going to show you how to make it nice. First, anybody would know you want to have a nice ice bucket. Next, bowl of mangoes, bowl of lemons, bowl of limes. Next, for our bar cart, we want to keep everybody happy, so we're going to have a fresh squeezed juicer, and we're going to have some key Largo tropical fruit schnapps. We're going to have some Galliano, Midori for those melon balls, Kahlua, and vermouth for the martini lovers. Next, a decent mid sweet muscadine wine, Carolina wine called Hatteras Red, and a little Seagram 7. Okay folks, so today I want to share my own favorite margarita recipe. I call it Blue Hawaii. Now, I didn't read this or find it or look at a recipe. This is my own take over the years on the best margarita going on. Check it out. Here's your, take your blender or Ninja. I like to take half, about half ice. Okay, get your sweet and sour mix, the margarita mix, and go about a third into the ice. Okay, so then there's only one. You can use what you want, but we like the Stoli's vodka. So this is obviously a vodka margarita. We're gonna go 1, 2 of those, and this is a 1.5 shot glass. Okay, I've got all the tops off so I can be quick. This is Blue Curacao. It's made from oranges. We're going to go with a half of that. Then triple sec, we're going to go with 2/3 of a double shot with that. Then the magic of French Grand Marnier. Okay, and we're going to do about a shot of that. That's the secret. I'm telling you, if you like an occasional drink, we don't do much. We don't even hardly have anything in the house most of the time. We got your basic stuff, but on occasion, we like to have something nice. Now we want to come over here to our rim preparer. This is important with margarita. You may or may not know. In the top one, lime juice. Little lime juice to get that rim wet. Salt. That's what they're known for, right? We gotta salt the rim. This little unit is really neat. If you can get a hold of one, we'll see if we can link one down below. Lime juice and then the salt. There you are, my queen.
Wow, thank you. Love it.
Yeah, you can leave it in if you want. Ooh,
Aw.
how about that? Pretty, huh?
Oh, thank you.
Salute.
Okay. That is amazing. So good.
Guys, we know you want to come try it. Just try that recipe. I'm telling you. I bartended years ago. I came up with this. It's a winner. If, like I say, you like an occasional little sip. So folks, if you like this content and you want to see more, you know the drill. Share and like our video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't got to.
And you can follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden.
I'm speechless, folks, with this Blue Hawaii margarita.
It's good.
And we'll see you in the next video. The fly thinks he's getting some. He's
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's delicious.